Right, another little Beeline Moto 2 video here, and this time I'm going to try and install a bar clamp for it in the middle of my 890 SMT KTM handlebar, just so that things are a little bit more secure. So I've not opened the box, I don't know what's in there. The only thing that I do have is this little Allen key that came with the original Beeline Moto, and I'm assuming that this is going to come in handy because it says on the back that you need an M3 hex. So I don't know if it's an Allen key or whatever, but I've got that just in case. If not, my toolbox is right next to me and we'll grab it. So let's see what's in the box. Right. So you've got a number of different rubbers there. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 different rubbers, depending on which size handlebars you've got. So let's pop them out the way. A little bit of cardboard, and now the clamp itself. And yeah, that's all there is in the box. That's cool. There's no instructions particularly on the box anywhere, so there we go. And yeah, so I'm expecting that little Allen key, it doesn't fit, so that's not a problem. I've got a toolbox right next to me and we will find something. Sorry about the delay. Big old toolbox. Let's open it up, find some Allen keys. That was easy. Right, there's my Allen keys, look. So that's a 3. That doesn't fit in there. That is a 2.5. That does fit in there. So there we go. Let's undo that little widget in the middle. Hope you can still see with the light fading. So there we go. That's that little juicy one out. And there, that's the little top bit out. And then, yeah, that's the same size again. So it's quite nicely made. It's sort of like in a cast aluminium sort of quite a motorbikey finish. All right, I think there's a bit of Loctite in there because it's not the easiest to undo. Right, so there we go. I'm going to lose that for a moment because I've got to work out somehow which bit of rubber we need. So let's pop that around there, and I reckon we're going to need this little widget. So yeah, there's like a little locating bits everywhere, so that goes in there like that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, there's like little on the rubber, there's little pieces that coincide with little indents on the metal, so it should all stay in one piece and not slip round the bar. I'm assuming that's what that's for. So let's see if we can fit this underneath. Always fun doing it live. Well, pre-recorded. Right, okay. Fit that under there. Fit that over the top. Get that in the right location. She's snug. I wonder if that's the right one. I think it will be. Just needs a tiny bit of a squeeze, which is probably a good thing. You don't want it to be loose and flopping about. Nobody likes a flopping about one. Right, let's see if we can get this to go in. Seems to be working. Trying to do this so you can see, but not that easy with the camera set up the way it is. Maybe that's better. There we go. And I reckon that's going to want to slide around a little way. There we go, it's going in nicely now. Let's use the end bit for a little last little bit. Right, then that bit there, and I need to check which way it needs to sit. Oh, I see, there's actually little grooves and little grooves in there, so it means that it will line up nicely. Nice little trick. Let's get that back in there. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? I think. Put those rubbers out of the way, won't need them again. Not unless I get a new bike. Right, and then, there we go, we're in. Home button is there, look at that. Nice and secure, doesn't move around the bars. Perfect. So, bar mount is a thumbs up for the Beeline Moto 2. Now, thanks for watching, and have a great day, bye.